this video is kind of like another add-on to the last video, which was how to split a screen on iMovie, and this one is going to be called how to use blue and green screens, like I told you about on the last video. So before I get on with the video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get notified whenever I post a new iMovie tutorial or any tutorial. So this right here is a cool background that I just uploaded onto the iMovie screen with the playhead, and this is what I want the background to be for whatever I put with the blue screen or green screen. In this case, I'm going to be saying blue screen because that's what I'm going to be using. So this is just a background. It was totally random what I used here. So then you're going to click the plus button and you're going to choose a background that has a blue or green screen on the back. So this is blue with a few stickers on it. So I'm going to click the three buttons, the three little dots, and then I'm going to click green/blue screen. And that's going to put it right on top with a little playhead here of the background. And so you can make it bigger so that it reaches the whole background, and then it'll automatically cut out the blue part so that instead of the blue being the background, it is the background being the background. And what it pretty much does here is just makes the background be what the blue or green has been. So you can do a bunch of really cool stuff with this, and it's very helpful to a lot of people, and you can make a video be the background, you can have a video be this part, and then you can add the regular stuff like music, text, pretty much whatever you want here. So that was the quick tutorial on green and blue screens. It's very helpful, and comment down below what you do with this, because I want to know what you guys are doing with these videos. And then please also comment what you want to see from me next, because I want to do what you guys want me to do, obviously. So, yep, please subscribe. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.